guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. I just want to do a quick little update in here. This is not going to be a very long video. You can see, that's not my curtain, it's a blanket over the window to block out the light. That doesn't matter, I just got sidetracked in my very short video. Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a really quick video on saying that I know I've been away for a minute, and I know and I understand that are like, what happened? Well, I don't know if you really care or not. So for the people that are like, what happened? I'm still here, I'm still alive. I just had to take a break. I had to deal with some stuff that I had going on, and I had to deal with my dogs. Nothing bad, just a little bit of a medical thing happened. I guess it's medical, I don't know. He's okay. It's Theo. He's crazy anyway, as he is, but I just wanted to jump on here and say I'll be back next week, hopefully, or maybe the following week, just because I've just been trying to gather content and trying to make content. I tried to be so good, but I had to take a break from a lot of social media. I mean, I did it like a little bit here and there, but I didn't keep up with it. I just needed that mental break. So hopefully I'll be back to my regularly scheduled program very soon. Thank you for everybody that keeps watching my videos and subscribing. And if you have any questions on anything, let me know. And if not, okay. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to hit the video. I always say hit the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up also, because it makes me oh so happy. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.